Assalamu alaikum. With us today is Muhammad Ijaz Alam and the Sadat Hussein. So, Mr. Ijaz Alam, he has experience in energy and in finance. And today we are going to ask him some few questions for those people who have an experience in energy and those with an experience in finance. We will get to learn a few things from him. And when we hear about energy, we hear about there's the energy in petroleum, the energy in solar energy, but his technology is way advanced. And I think he will be the first person to start the same kind of technology within Pakistan. So introduce us to your technology about the energy in the energy sector.
Yeah. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Ijaz Alam. Belong to Canada. I'm a Canadian citizen as well as I'm an engineer. And since 10 years, I am running my company. That's energy and finance. Okay. In that connection, I was 3 years continue chairman of FPCCI. Okay. So it was my dream to do something for Pakistan. That's why I called the Canadian engineers to promote solar energy in 2016. We approved for 4,000 megawatt for Pakistan, 1,000 every each province. Okay, but unfortunately for some reason it was not completed. I don't want to say anything. Then again, second tenure in the Imran Khan period, also the Imran Khan approved 4,000 megawatt, but unfortunately corona started, so that is also pending. Now I'm going to start geothermal is the latest technology, and we are planning to start throughout in Pakistan geothermal. It's a cheaper and space is very less. If we start the solar, they need large scale space. If we start geothermal, small scale land required. So, and it is a very cheaper and it's a very quick result. Okay, so it is my expertise and I'm doing these things, and by the grace of God, very soon you will see in the TV that we already started geothermal all over in Pakistan, as well as finance sector. So I was also as a consultant. I work as a consultant since long 10 years. I bring so many money for Pakistan to start Sikh industries. And by the way, unfortunately, for some reason, it's not happened. I don't want to say these things, but still, we are trying to arrange finance from abroad in private sector to promote Pakistan, especially for energy sector and in the poorer sector to start RO plant, energy plant, medical system, education system. These finance will be utilized for these things. That was my mission. Still, I'm doing that. Pray for me so that I can achieve my
Yes.
target.
Okay. Mr. Alam, being a president and the CEO of your company, Inatech, I wanted to ask you one question. You've been a part of Pakistan and you've been a part of Canada. So you believe in both two worlds, and I'm pretty sure that you've lived in the other parts of the world. You've had a lot of experience. We want to ask you to share with us what kind of experience while dealing with the bureaucracy or dealing with the those in charge of approving your project or not approving your projects, or people who are you are dealing with directly. What has been your experience so far?
Yeah, very good question. So I want to reply. Actually, since long period, not 10 years, it's almost 20 years. I involved in Pakistan in different sectors. Now I am involved in energy and finance sector. Before I was working with the district administration from 5 grade till 22 grade. So I know their mentality, I know their attitude, I know their behavior. So majority of the peoples, bureaucrats, they are very nice, but not everybody. Okay, that's I can say. But by the way, so many projects, it is detained by bureaucrats, so many hurdles. I don't want to say everything in detail. Due to so many hurdles, it is not completed as per my experience, what I watch since 20 years. But still, I will say our bureaucrats is very, not everybody. Few of the bureaucrats, they are very talented, very nice, very accurate, very loyal, very honest with Pakistan, but not everybody. So that was my hard luck that still I am waiting to take any positive result from bureaucrats. That's my answer.
Mr. Sadat, you have enough experience about overseas Pakistani, more than anybody present in this room, and more than most people that I've come across. To. We want you to share with us an experience. What is good for people who are living abroad as Pakistan, and then what should they do and what should they not do, according to your own experience?
Uh, the fact is, overseas Pakistani is a backbone of Pakistani economy, and only the industry we have as human resources and manpowers, they're going abroad, and the only remittance in this country is coming through overseas Pakistanis. The fact is, yeah, they are loyal to the country and they're sending remittance and they want to do something in Pakistan, keep coming over here, bringing businesses, opportunities for the country. But unfortunately, they have so many hurdles and they're being disappointed. Like Mr. Alam, he just saying he's been working for Pakistan the last 20 years and he wanted to do something for Pakistan. But unfortunately, he had so many, the hurdles, so he has to. Then he go back and come back. And so many times I know him from last 15 years. He is in touch with the Federation of Chamber of Commerce, with the other, chambers, and he's going, to town, province to province, and meeting with the authorities, and we want to do something like now he got very good alternate energy, the projects, geothermal. He's working. He came to Karachi and then from Karachi to today he's in Islamabad, and just I hope he will be successful this time because the our party, our main mission is to encourage over. My party is Pakistan People's Party, and we want to encourage the overseas Pakistani, the investors coming over here and want to invest something. And the president, he have a very positive sign for them, and he welcomed them and give opportunities for the overseas investor. So now he's in Islamabad, and we are with him, and we're going to help him wherever he found any hurdles. So we're going to help him.
Mr. Ijaz, what is your conclusion? What kind of advice can you give to Pakistan and to Pakistan and the Pakistani about alternative energy, your technology, and much more? If you would like to share anything that people don't, because it's, I'm sure few people are aware of your technology about the energy that you're bringing to Pakistan. Please, we would love to hear that.
That's a good question. I will tell short that I'm very hopeful this time that our energy sector will be success in all province in Pakistan. That is geothermal. This time very hopeful. Everything is prepared. Only need few days to start this project. This time very hopeful, And meanwhile, I am doing since 2016 in energy sector, but this time I'm already involved with geothermal as well as solar energy. And this year, this time will be final to achieve our goal. Thank you very much. Pray for me, and I am still hopeful.